Hi everyone, welcome into Discover. Today in this tutorial, we are going to talk about bug magnet extension. As a tester, finding edge case bugs manually can be time consuming. So that's where bug magnet extension helps. Open Chrome browser and search bug magnet Chrome extension and then click on enter. After clicking on this, you need to click on bug magnet Chrome web store. Click on this link and here option you can view add to Chrome. You need to add this extension into Chrome browser. Bug magnet is a browser extension designed for testers that instantly provides special characters, boundary values and test data to help you find bugs faster during manual testing. Now click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension. You have to click on add to Chrome and then click on add extension. First add this extension and here you can view bug magnet has been added to Chrome and here option available remove from Chrome. You can remove this extension from Chrome browser. Benefits of using bug magnet extension: it saves time during manual testing. It also provides special characters for input field testing. It helps identify boundary and validation issues. Now open this website and this is sign up page. User can input first name, last name, address, and here multiple fields you can view. For using this extension, just right click here, bug magnet, and here multiple options are available in this extension. If you want to view multiple languages, so you can view here languages, and here inside this names, click on this one, right click here, bug magnet, names, and here you can view name length. Suppose if the user enter a lengthy data, so you can check field validation and other option available here. Right click here and email address. Suppose you want to check the field with valid and invalid, so just click on invalid and here multiple options you can view. If you want to enter here garbage data, just click here garbage and here this all data you can view. You do not need to enter manually data here. By using this extension you can enter data here and other option available. If you want to check amount field, so here you can view multiple options here. This is white space tabs, missing mixing tabs and spaces, multiple options here. Email address, suppose you want to enter valid email address and just click on this plus in address. This email address contains first name and plus last name @domain.com. Click on bug magnet and here you can also perform security testing by using this extension. Suppose you want to enter here SQL injection, so you can view here this syntax of SQL injection. By using this extension you can enter data here in these fields. These all the cities, single letter, right click here and numbers. You can view here multiples. You can enter here 0 and lengthy data here. So you do not need to enter manually data in these fields. By using this extension, you can enter data by using this extension. Bug Magnet is a must-have tool for every manual and automation tester. It makes exploratory testing faster, smarter, and more effective. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Scale World for more testing tutorials. See you in the next video.